When replacing a quick drop tongue jack, lift the front of the frame with a jack and place an appropriately rated jack stand underneath the draw arm of the A-frame. Next, you will need to remove the foot pad on your jack. Remove the cotter pin from the end of your clevis pin and pull it free to free up the foot pad. The last thing that needs to be removed to free up the tongue jack are the 3 bolts securing it to the coupler. Remove these 3 bolts and set them aside. Next, raise the old jack out of the coupler and set it aside. Lower your new tongue jack into the hole, and once you have it lined up with your bolt holes and the flat corner facing forward, you can begin to resecure your bolts. Tighten down your bolts until each is firmly secured in place. With the bolts on the tongue jack secured, we can now resecure our foot pad at the base. Once you have made sure the jack is functioning properly, raise the front of the coach up and remove your support, then lower the frame back down.